Deep within the dense, misty rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, an animal silently slips between the trees. It has the striped legs of a zebra, the body of a horse, and the head of a giraffe. But it is not any of those animals. This is the elusive Okapi, one of the most mysterious and ancient creatures in the animal kingdom. For centuries, the Okapi was a creature of myth, whispered about by local tribes and unknown to science. It was not until the early 20th century that the Western world confirmed its existence. Even today, despite being the national animal of the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Okapi remains a rare sight in the wild and a fascinating subject for scientists and wildlife enthusiasts. The first official recognition came in 1901 when British explorer Sir Harry Johnston obtained a skull and skin, proving that this legendary creature was real. Since then, it has remained an elusive symbol of the untouched rainforest. The Okapi's closest living relative is the giraffe, though you would not know it at first glance. Unlike the giraffe, which towers above the savanna, the Okapi is a more modest animal, standing about 5 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 200 to 350 kilograms. It has a long, prehensile tongue, dark bluish-purple in color, much like its cousin, which it uses not only to strip leaves from trees, but also to clean its eyes, ears, and even the inside of its nostrils. One of the most striking features of the Okapi is its unique coloration. Its dark, velvety brown body contrasts sharply with white horizontal stripes on its legs and rear, which resemble those of a zebra. But these stripes are not just for show. They act as camouflage in the dappled light of the forest, helping it blend into its environment and avoid predators like leopards. Calves use these stripes to identify and follow their mothers through dense vegetation, which strengthens their survival during vulnerable early life stages. The Okapi is a solitary creature, rarely seen in groups. It has a keen sense of hearing, allowing it to detect the faintest sounds of danger in the underbrush. Its large cupped ears swivel independently to catch noises from multiple directions. It communicates through infrasonic sounds, which are too low for human ears to hear, but can travel long distances through dense forest. Scientists believe these low-frequency calls help okapis maintain distance and territory without confrontation. Okapis are herbivores, feeding on over 100 different species of plants, many of which are toxic to humans. They consume leaves, buds, grasses, fruits, and fungi, often selecting the most nutritious parts of the plant. They are particularly fond of clay, which they eat to obtain essential minerals not found in their plant-based diet. With a daily feeding routine that spans dawn to dusk, the Okapi covers large distances in search of food, navigating the labyrinthine forest with grace and caution. Breeding among okapis is infrequent and usually occurs during the rainy season. After a gestation period of about 14 to 15 months, a single calf is born. The mother hides her calf in a secluded spot for the first few weeks, returning only to nurse. This behavior minimizes scent trails and reduces the risk of attracting predators. The calf remains hidden and silent, an instinctive survival tactic refined over millennia. Remarkably, young okapis do not defecate for their first month, an adaptation to avoid drawing attention from predators through scent. Despite its ancient lineage and evolutionary uniqueness, the Okapi faces numerous threats. Its habitat is under constant pressure from logging, mining, and human settlement. Political instability in the region makes conservation efforts difficult. Poaching, though illegal, still occurs, and the Okapi's shy nature makes it hard to monitor or protect. The expansion of agricultural activities into protected areas further endangers its survival, cutting off critical migratory routes and isolating populations. However, there is hope. Conservation organizations, in collaboration with local communities, have established protected areas such as the Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These sanctuaries aim to preserve the Okapi's natural habitat and ensure the survival of this incredible species for generations to come. Anti-poaching patrols, education initiatives, and research programs are slowly making a difference. Captive breeding programs in zoos around the world also play a key role in ensuring genetic diversity. The Okapi is more than just a biological curiosity. It is a symbol of the unknown wonders that still exist on our planet. Its existence reminds us that nature holds secrets we have yet to uncover, and that even in the 21st century, the wild still holds mysteries worth protecting. The Okapi's quiet resilience and its hidden way of life reflect the fragility of Earth's rainforests, ecosystems that balance on the edge of destruction and survival. As we continue to study and safeguard the Okapi, we are not just saving a species, we are preserving a living link to our planet's deep evolutionary past. In the heart of Africa's rainforests, the ghost-striped forest giraffe continues its quiet, remarkable journey through time, inviting us to look closer and care deeper about the living world that surrounds us.